Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. Great to have you with us again.
Okay, I have a question. Is talking about the weather boring?
Some people think so, but actually, it's very useful.
Yes, because everyone talks about the weather. Every day, everywhere.
Exactly. You meet someone and you don't know what to say. You can always say, "Nice weather today, right?"
Simple, but powerful.
And today we're going to help you talk about weather in English, like a natural speaker.
By the end of this episode, you will describe the weather easily. Express your opinion. Start conversations. And speak more confidently.
Let's begin.
Let's start simple. It's hot.
Yes, very basic, very useful. You can say, "It's cold," "It's warm," "It's sunny," "It's windy," "It's cloudy."
Short sentences. Easy to remember. Let's imagine this. You meet someone outside. What do you say?
Nice weather today, right?
Perfect small talk.
Possible answers. Yes, it's beautiful today. Yes, I like this weather. No, it's too hot for me.
Now we have a conversation. Let's talk about opinion. I like sunny weather.
I don't like cold weather.
I love rain.
Oh, really? I don't like rain. Now let's add because. I like sunny weather because I feel happy.
I don't like cold weather because I feel tired. You can talk about today. The weather is nice today.
It's very hot today.
It's a bit cold today.
Now let's talk about the future. It's going to rain.
It's going to be sunny.
I think it will be cold tomorrow.
Weather helps us make plans. It's sunny. Let's go outside.
It's raining. Let's stay home.
Let's have a full conversation. Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it's very sunny. I like it.
Me too. I like sunny weather because it gives me energy.
Same here. Do you want to go for a walk?
Sure, that's a good idea.
Simple, natural, real English.
Let's change the situation. It's raining. It's raining a lot today.
Yes, I don't like this weather.
Me neither. It's a bit depressing.
Very natural conversation. Let's review key words. 1. Weather. Condition of the air. Example, the weather is nice today.
Too sunny. With sun. Example, it's sunny today.
3. Rainy. With rain. Example, it's rainy today.
4. Windy. With wind. Example, it's windy outside.
5. Cloudy. With clouds. Example, it's cloudy today.
6. Temperature. How hot or cold it is. Example, the temperature is high. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. It's hot today.
It's cold today.
The weather is nice.
I like sunny weather.
I don't like rain.
It's going to rain.
Let's go outside.
So now you can talk about weather. Simple and natural.
But we're not finished. Because weather is also great for small talk.
In the next part, we'll show you how to use weather to start conversations, how to continue talking, how to sound more natural.
Stay with us, because this will make your English more real. So now you can describe the weather. Hot, cold, sunny, rainy.
Yes, but now let's take it one step further. Let's use weather for real conversations.
Weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation.
Yes, you don't need a deep topic. You just say, "Nice weather today, right?"
Simple. And it works everywhere.
But don't stop there. Add a question. Example, "Nice weather today, right?" Yes, it's great. Then ask, Do you like this kind of weather?
Ah. Now the conversation continues. Let's improve it. I love this weather because it makes me feel happy.
Or, I don't like this weather because it's too hot.
Now it's more natural.
Let's talk about seasons. Summer, winter, spring, autumn.
You can say, I like summer because it's warm.
I prefer winter because I like cold weather.
You can ask, what's your favorite season?
Or, do you like hot weather or cold weather?
Very useful questions. Let's do a full conversation. Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it's perfect. I love sunny days.
Me too. I feel more active when it's sunny.
Same here. What's your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring. It's not too hot, not too cold. That's a natural flowing conversation.
Now, let's talk about bad weather.
You can say, the weather is terrible today.
It's raining a lot.
It's very windy. I feel tired in this weather.
This weather makes me feel lazy. Weather changes plans.
Yes. Example, it's sunny, let's go out.
It's raining. Let's stay home.
It's too hot, let's stay inside. Here are useful questions. What's the weather like today? Is it going to rain? How's the weather?
You will hear these every day. Let's talk about a common mistake.
Yes. Some learners say, today is hot.
But better, it's hot today.
Always use it's for weather.
Don't make it complicated. Weather English is simple.
Short sentences are enough. Speak clearly and confidently. Let's repeat the key idea. Weather equals easy conversation.
Start simple. Add a question. Give your opinion.
Let's review key words. One season. Time of the year. Example, summer is my favorite season.
To forecast. Weather prediction. Example, the forecast says it will rain.
3 terrible. Very bad. Example, the weather is terrible.
4 active. Full of energy. Example, I feel active in sunny weather.
5 lazy. No energy. Example, this weather makes me feel lazy.
6 perfect. Very good. Example, the weather is perfect today. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Nice weather today, right?
Do you like this weather?
I love sunny days.
I don't like cold weather.
What's your favorite season?
It's going to rain.
Let's go out.
It's too hot today. Now full sentences. Repeat after us. I like summer because it's warm and sunny.
I don't like rainy weather because it makes me feel tired.
The weather is perfect today. Let's go outside.
Before we finish, remember this. English is everywhere, even in simple things like weather.
You don't need big words. You need simple, real-life sentences.
Talk about the weather. Talk about your day. Talk about your life.
And little by little, your English will improve.
Start today. Speak with someone. Even one sentence is enough.
If this episode helped you, share it with someone learning English.
Listen again. Repeat again. Practice every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of
English on Air.
Keep Speaking.
Keep improving.
Bye, everyone.